Greetings, Mr. Lee here. All right, here's your first Khan Academy tutorial for the day. Difference of squares intro. So you guys have seen this area model before. We're trying to figure out this missing length. Length times width in the area model is going to equal this area, okay? So we have a difference of squares here, right? 49 is 7 squared, x squared is x squared. So the way this pattern works for the difference of squares is I can actually factor this 49 minus x squared into a 7 plus x minus times times a 7 minus x. Okay, so we already have the 7 plus x, which is represented by the width, which means the missing length is just going to be your 7 minus x. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Feel free to multiply this out, right? Use your distributive property. You should see that it'll simplify to this 49 minus x squared. To talk about the pattern even further, because we have these opposite signs and all the numbers are the same, the middle term essentially cancels out, right? So let's just do it together. Actually, 7 times 7 is 49. 7 times negative x is negative 7x. But then I add it to the 7x, which are just opposites. That's why there's no middle x term. Okay. So that's example 1. Let's do 2 more here. Factor as the product of two binomials. Okay, so this one's a little bit simpler if you're following the pattern. Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of x squared is x. So then follow this pattern. 6 plus x times 6 minus x. Again, pause the video if you need. Distribute it to check. The middle term will cancel out. Okay. Let's do one more. Okay, so another area model. We're going to have 11 squared and x squared, right? So 120 squared of 121 is just 11. So we could think of it as, if we're factoring the whole area, it's going to be 11 plus x times 11 minus x. And we're asked to just give the expression for the width, okay? So we already have the 11 minus x, which should be the length right here, which means the width is the missing piece, the 11 plus x, okay? So read the question carefully. They may not always ask you to factor the whole thing. This one's asking for the missing piece.